In order to train EZalert, we open the EZalert view under the Monitoring pane in the Operations console. Via the Training tab of EZalert, we do the actual training. Notice how, at this moment, under Suggested State, it displays Unable to Predict. The reason for this is that there has not yet been any training of EZalert. Let's go ahead and start training EZalert. Say, for example, that we always want to close the informational alert with the event description, "The controller battery learn cycle has started." On the Training tab, we would right-click the alert and then from the context menu click Train State As, and then click Closed. After doing so, an Apply States dialog box appears. This box enables you to apply the training state in Operations Manager immediately, setting the state of alert to closed if yes is clicked. If we click no, the alert will remain unchanged in Operations Manager while EZalert is being trained. We can also train EZalert to apply other resolution states to the open alerts in Operations Manager. To do this, we do not select closed as we previously did. Instead, we select a different state from the Train State As context menu. For example, new. Once you have started training EZalert, you will notice that new incoming alerts will have a suggested state. If the suggested state for a particular alert is not the state you would have expected, you can go through the same cycle and assign the desired state for that particular alert. Do this by using the context menu again. After the training cycle, assuming we are satisfied that the suggested state for the alert is correct, we can set EZalert to automatic by clicking on the Settings tab, selecting the Enable Auto Apply checkbox, and clicking Save. Once we have set EZalert to Enable Auto Apply, EZalert starts applying the suggested states automatically to the new alerts in Operations Manager. This becomes obvious when we open the Active Alerts view in the Operations console. Going back to the EZalert view, notice that once Enable Auto Apply is checked, the Training tab is disabled. You can click on the History tab in order to keep an eye on what state EZalert is automatically applying to the new alerts that are coming in. In the History tab, a log is kept for the state that is applied to each alert. If EZalert learned the wrong behavior and applied the wrong state to an alert, it can be corrected. To do this, select the alert with the wrong state, right-click it, and set the correct state by selecting Retrain State As. When you repeat this cycle, EZalert will learn and become increasingly accurate over time. There might be occasions when you would like EZalert to completely ignore a type of alert. To do this, click the Exclusions tab and select the alert that you want to exclude from being processed by EZalert. Then, right-click the alert and select Exclude. Once you have done this, EZalert will no longer process this alert.